Hey there, Tiffany Thomas with wealthytiffany.com. And today I just wanted to do another little wealth talk video with you guys about confidence. And if you guys want more information about becoming wealthy, building wealth, becoming financially free, make sure and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that little bell to get notified on when I post new videos. And don't forget to like and share this video. All right, so you guys, I want to talk about confidence because I feel like this is a huge topic. And this comes up in every area of our lives. Whether we are, being confident with dating or our jobs or building our own business or investing, money management, whatever it is, everything that we're doing is kind of wrapped around being confident in ourselves. So I wanted to discuss this for a minute today and kind of just help you guys gain a little more confidence because we are all children of God. We have the King of all kings, the most powerful being, as our heavenly parent. And that means that we have inherited all of his qualities. And whether or not we are utilizing those, or they might be dormant right now, but we have such powerful qualities, and yet we continue to doubt ourselves and not really be confident in whatever it is that we might be pursuing. But we just have to take a step back and realize that we are children of God. And God is all-knowing and all-powerful. And we have his qualities, and we just need to realize our full potential. We have such great potential, and I feel like we don't always remember that. So I just kind of wanted to point this fact out to you guys to help you realize that you do have a high potential, and you just need to be embracing the fact that you are a child of God and realize you can accomplish whatever it is that you desire. And if you think you're not good enough or you're not worthy enough, it's not true. It's not true at all. If other people are telling you negative things about you or trying to put you down, those things are not true. You have to realize that you have a high self-worth, and whatever you want to go after, you can go after it and you can accomplish it. You have God on your side and a lot of other people trying to help you, whether you see that or not. We sometimes don't realize what kind of effect we're having on people because, they may not always tell us, but people are watching us, and we can be a great example for people. We just have to be confident in who we are and feel worthy of that, and realize that we are children of God, and we can do powerful things. We can make powerful changes in our lives. And we can help others. We can have a greater impact for good in this world if we're confident in who we are with ourselves and if we feel worthy. And if you are struggling with that, start to have a relationship with God, with Heavenly Father. And if that's not something you believe in, then it may be the universe. Whatever it is that you believe in, try to develop that relationship and realize how important you are. God doesn't make anything that is not important. And you are so important. We are all so important. And we just need to remember that we are worthy of whatever it is that we desire. And we just need to go after our dreams and be confident in what we want and in what ways we can be impacting other people, helping other people. And just remember that you are a child of God and you have his qualities. And you just need to put those into place, start using them, start believing in yourself, realize that you are worthy, and move forward. Don't hang on to limiting beliefs or past beliefs. Just accept them as they are, realize that they were a stepping path for you, and continue to move forward, to press forward, and do whatever it is that you feel called to do, whatever you desire to do, whatever you want to accomplish. You can totally do it. You can totally do it. And ask for guidance along the way. That's really important. We don't need to be doing this by ourselves at all. So we can ask for guidance from Heavenly Father and from other people as well. Other people have traveled many different paths, and they can help you along your path. You just have to reach out and ask and take that inspired action or that guidance that you're given. So hopefully these thoughts help you guys just become a little more confident today in knowing that you can accomplish whatever it is you want to accomplish. You truly can. And you just have to believe in yourself and take action. So you guys, hopefully you found this helpful. And if you have any tips on how to become more confident or believe in yourself, please share them below. I would love to hear that. And make sure and like and share this video with someone that may have the need for it today. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more information like this. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks.